Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. This is going to be a fairly short video because today I'm outside Victoria Hospital. Well, I'm alongside the south entrance. It's called the south, well, the south side of the hospital I should say, not really the entrance. To get to the entrance you walk all the way down there, follow the whole building round till you come to the main entrance. But anyway, today we're here to have a look at all this demolition work that's going on. Let's have a bit of a zoom in. There we go, look at that. They're taking a whole lot off the old building down. See there. It's been going on all week. It's a lot of dust. I feel like I should put my mask back on. On the side here, you can see there, this whole block's going to be coming down because if you look in there, you can see, so that bit's going to come down, which tells me also that bit's going to be coming down, and also maybe this whole block here is also going to be coming down. So when all this is down, what are they going to put in its place? Wards, or like a different centre or different building? It's not the best place to film. Really, I mean obviously it's all fenced off. And there's not many places where you can stand to get some good footage. Let's up this little hill here. Let's get anything from up there. No, well, on that side there, see, looking through that window there, there's lights on. You see? So maybe that part of the building is staying. Definitely everything in front of me here is in the process of all being pulled down. Look at that. And there. It's all bricks along there. Let me just get down this hill. I'll have to look where I'm going, because otherwise I'm going to end up slipping, which would probably make for an amusing bit of the video, but I'd rather not slide down a little grassy slope in a comedic fashion. There we go. Down here. Fencing goes all the way here. You might better get a better view down here actually. Oh yes, let's try. Yeah, there's better view to be had from this side, folks. At least I think so. Kind of sort of see from there. If only I could get into that little triangle bit there, that would be perfect. I think we will get a better view. I'm hoping we do. Every spot where I think we're going to get a better view, there's always trees there. feel what I'm seeing with my own eyes is better than what I'm catching on camera, so I don't know. But we can see the front of that building, as I said, was probably going to come down here. Oops, come on camera, focus please. You can see right inside there, and all the way through to the window on the other side. Come on camera, zoom out. It reminds me of an old school building, that, you know, the type of old primary schools when we were kids. Maybe one more bit of zooming. Tell you what, there's a lot of metal in there. That's all the metal rebar and supports and stuff that would have been supporting the original structure. And they tend to pile it all up separately, so all the bits can be recycled in different ways. I don't have any special knowledge of building or demolition or anything. I just kind of pick things up on filming, and like when I've watched other demolition jobs, like when they demolished the old Wilco's store on Talbot Road, Dixon Road, they put all the stones in one pile and they put all the metal bits in one pile, and they did the same thing with the Empire as well, the old bingo hall. So yeah, hopefully they will be recycling most of what comes down in that building. I do know they did recycle most of the old Wilco's store, because people told me about where it was going. It went somewhere in Bolton or near there, and it was going to a quarry. Yeah, I did want to come down here and just show you that little bit of building work that's going on there, so you get to see something a little bit different for a change on the channel. Because I do feel that recently, since my family circumstances have become what they are, I've not been able to follow things through as much as I'd want to, and I want to try my best to get back to putting more interesting stuff on the channel and more stuff that people would like to see. Gosh, some huge houses down here, aren't there? They're like mansions. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. Something a little bit different. And the walk to work now is going to be right down the back way, because we're going straight down here. East Park Drive. There we can see the main street that leads into the hospital. Down there towards the main entrance, that's Green Park Avenue. And that, folks, is it for this video. So I really hope you enjoyed seeing that. And if you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button. Maybe even subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will see you very soon in the next video. Goodbye.